This is a paid advertisement.
Hi everybody and welcome back to the Noon Show on TV2. I'm David Burns and this is Ask the Expert. Today we're visiting with Dr. Curt Draeger from Integrated Pain Solutions in Green Bay and Anago. And you've recently opened a new clinic here in Green Bay utilizing high-intensity laser therapy to treat people suffering from chronic pain, Doctor. Now it's probably something that we haven't heard very much of, this type of therapy. So why don't we start out about discussing a little bit about the therapy?
Sounds great. The high-intensity laser will actually go 4 or 5 inches deep, where most lasers, which were started in Europe probably 20 years ago, they go about 1/4 inch deep. In order for the laser to work, which is just light, it's FDA cleared type of laser, and you can go that 5 inches deep and it will start changes inside the cell, which will increase blood supply, soften up scar tissue, and actually increase the metabolism and make those cells act as if they're young cells again.
Okay.
It's never been able to be done before. We can actually reverse degenerative changes at the cellular level.
Oh, wow.
It's amazing.
That
so
is interesting.
I've been using it to be able to treat chronic pain because now I'm able to reset the pain reflex so it takes about, up to 80% of the pain away, which we've never been able to be done before. So I've used it in many chronic, type of pain conditions. But one of the most beneficial has been where people have had post-surgical problems with a lot of scar tissue. I just had a patient who was a retired pharmacist, and he's used, every medication known to man, and he's had multiple surgeries both on his neck and his low back. And all he wanted to do was be able to garden with his wife after he retired. And he hasn't been able to do that until now, because we were able to actually take that laser, and it works somewhat like photosynthesis does with the sun hitting a plant.
Okay.
It changes light energy into chemical energy, which will fix the cell inside of itself.
Okay.
So it's amazing. It's the most powerful tool I have ever used, and it has no discrimination. It will treat muscle, ligament, bone, nerve, or joint, all 5. So it's not a certain type of area. It will treat any type of cell that is still alive.
Okay, now we're talking with Dr. Curt Draeger from Integrated Pain Solutions here in Green Bay and in Anago. If somebody would like to learn a little bit more about the intense laser therapy, what's the best way to go about doing that?
Just give our office a call. We do a no-risk, no-obligation consultation so I can talk to the potential patient so I know if I can help you or not. And if I can't, I'll tell you up front. But if I can, I'll tell you that too.
All right. You can see this again at WBAY.com. Just click on Ask the Expert. Doctor, thank you for joining us. We'll have more of the Noon Show coming up right after this.